Start with place rice in the pot. Now add water. Let rice cook. Now rice is cooking, simmering. Keep stirring while rice cooking. Make sure rice not stick in bottom of the pot and let them cook. While rice cooking, keep the heat low so rice can cooking slowly. Now rice soup is well done, ready to serve. Now start with egg, put in a pot and water. Let them boil. Now the egg is cooking and boiling, so let them cook about 5 minutes and done. Now boiled egg is well done, ready to serve. Start with place cooking oil and onion in the frying pan and stir in together. Follow up with broccoli. Add some water. Now broccoli is cooking, simmering, so I can add some soy sauce and sugar. Now I add soy sauce and sugar and we can stir and mix in together and let them cook. Now broccoli stir fry is well done, ready to serve. Start smash 2 eggs and smash them together. Start with cooking oil and onion in a frying pan. Now the pan is hot and sizzling. Follow up with egg. Now omelette is cooking, sizzling. Now omelette is well done, ready to serve. Now all 4 different kind of food is done, ready to serve. You can have rice soup with boiled egg with soy sauce, and you can have stir-fried broccoli, and you can have with Thai omelette.